హాయ్ హలో నమస్తే అస్సలాము అలైకుం వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ స్పందనాస్ లైఫ్ అండ్ వెల్కమ్ టు లాట్వియా పెవిలియన్కి అండి. ఎక్స్పో 2020 దుబాయ్లో. లాట్వియా దేశం యూరోప్లో ఉందండి. లాట్వియాలో లియోరల్ షాప్ ఉందండి. ఈ పెవిలియన్లో లాట్వియా ఇన్వెంట్ చేసిన చాలా ఇన్వెన్షన్స్ ఇక్కడ డిస్ప్లే చేశారు. ఇవి రిఫ్లెక్షన్ కలిగిన గ్లాస్ పీసెస్ అనమాట. అండ్ ఇది లైట్ వెయిట్ తోటి ఉన్న స్ట్రాంగెస్ట్ మెటీరియల్. అండ్ ఇది డ్రోన్ అనమాట అండి. డార్కెస్ట్ ఫారెస్ట్ నుంచి కూడా ఇది మనల్ని డిటెక్ట్ చేసి కెమెరాస్తో తీసుకువెళ్ళగలదు. అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫార్ములా కార్డ్. అండ్ ఇవి సమ్ ప్లే టాయ్స్.
And kids, disabled kids become superheroes. They want to go to school to show everyone that they have like a new toy. So, what is this? This is amazing drone. This drone we use for agriculture, but downstairs you can see there are a lot of cameras to try to find persons who are lost in forest, in mountains, in the sea. This is, but not only like find people, but even if it's radiation. People can't go, but with this you can see how far and what's happening. What is it? We have another one, big floor, big propeller, and it's like you can take person and lift fire. They can. So this is like for rescue. So Dubai is only Dubai because both Dubai police are right and here. It's coolant. Hot, cold. This is fiber made from 3 different kinds of metals. What do you think? What's interesting? It's very, very, very light. But we use it for 3D printing, for space, different tools. And this tools, what we print, this is like samples, but different kind, what you need for space.
This is 3D printing.
Yes. And what this is light and very, very, very strong. Very, very light, very strong.
Yes.
So this is brakes. If you drive by Formula 1, Formula 1 is our customers. 350 kilometers per hour. They put the brakes and stop in 1 second. And fly to the moon. Driver flies, the car stay. How you think? What is that?
Pułapka.
How you think? What is that?
Computer.
I will show you. Here. What time is it? This is most precise clock in the world. This is light radar for space. You can take how, yes?
Just
Yes, it's like it's hours and seconds, you know? Second, like 10, comma, yes.
స్పేస్లో వాడే వాచ్ అంట. మదర్ బోర్డ్లా ఉందండి ఇది.
Behind you see interesting glass. This is side mirror. You need different shapes. We saw always mirror flat, but here mirror they have special technology that make the mirror in different shapes. Space scan technology. There is what is put in there because there is a controller, some components to make different cameras to make smooth videos. So it's stabilizers. Like even for drone, they use those to make stabilization system, so it's very good. Come. Try. What kind of material is this?
Fiber.
One more thing. This is from volcano.
Yes.
It's a magma and become basalt stone. They in big high temperature make fiber and make special pattern. This can many lives can live. Don't breakable. They don't change structure and shiny.
వాల్కెనో నుండి వచ్చిన మాగ్మాతో తయారు చేసిన ఫైబర్ లాంటి కుర్చీ అండ్ లాంగ్ లాస్టింగ్ అన్బ్రేకబుల్ అన్నమాట.
Design both from old houses, from old wooden houses, different patterns. Like you see, different, and people love it because you give 3-second light.
ఈ సూపర్ ఇంజనీర్ ప్రతి దాని గురించి చాలా బాగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశారండి. అండ్ ఇంకొక బ్లాక్ ఉంది లాట్వియాలో, సో అక్కడ డిఫరెంట్ షోస్ ఉన్నాయి, చూసేద్దాం. లాట్వియా బయట ఉన్నామండి. లాట్వియాలో షో జరుగుతుంది ఇప్పుడు ఇంకో ఫ్యూ సెకండ్స్లో. సో షో కోసం అంతా వెయిటింగ్ అనమాట.
Full of youthful qualities, movement, energy, ambition, and the desire to experiment. We don't standing still. Standing still is basically the same as going backwards. We have the power, the more motivation it gives us to keep going. Meet the first of Latvia's dimensions, constant wave forward. We are those who experiment with the different and the unknown. And if we don't succeed at first, we don't give up. We try and we're there. We are untamed, and we like to do things our way. It is the persistence, endurance, and passion which, instead of becoming the same as the world's best, has put us amongst them. Where you're standing now. To always aim higher is coded in our nature. We produce drones which can lift a person and spot people from miles away in the harshest conditions, be it day or night. If life is a game, then we want to play fair. Our adaptable gaming keypads are disability friendly and suitable for left-hand use, giving equal opportunities to all. We deal with reality as it comes, but gladly embrace virtual reality to enhance it and save lives through VR trauma training for military and civilian organizations. And when the reality of this Earth gets all too familiar, we seek to join NASA missions and send our technology to Venus to help detect obstacles in even the most extreme space conditions. Why not look at materials in a new light? The anti-reflective glass made in Latvia protects the most precious works of art in the Louvre in Paris. Our nature is a showcase of the sounds of silence. But when we want to be heard, we know how to make the world listen. We produce microphones used by the likes of the Rolling Stones in U2. And we shape the sound to our liking and the liking of such legends as Jack White, Rammstein, Tool, and many others. Even flying Latvia's national airline means being nature aware, as it employs some of the greenest commercial aircrafts out there. Not to mention that you're always on time. Latvia is where our journey starts and takes us to fields of surprising opportunities. We'd love to see you become part of our discoveries. When combined, all three dimensions you travel through bring a fourth to life: innovation. Spectator, or the one. What about you?
సో ఇది కెమెరా అండి, ఇక్కడ సెల్ఫీస్ తీసుకుని మనం క్యూఆర్ కోడ్లో డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్ అబౌట్ లాట్వియా పెవిలియన్ అండి. ఐ హోప్ యూ ఎంజాయ్డ్ ద షోస్ అండ్ ద virtual tour of this pavilion. Thank you so much for watching.